Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Welcome to the first video of a series about the secrets of Italian pronunciation. Would you like to master the sounds of a beautiful and musical language? Keep watching! Italian Pronunciation Guide 1. C e G. To be honest with you, I said the word secrets at the beginning just to grab your attention. The truth is that Italian is a very consistent language. It is read as it is spelled, and sounds do not change from one word to the other. Once you have learned the sounds of our alphabet correctly, the pronunciation of a word won't be a secret anymore. In this video, we'll learn about the consonants C and G. First, let's see how to pronounce them when they're followed by vowels. C. This consonant has two sounds, one hard and one soft. C is always hard before A, O, U.
Casa, cane, sconto. Marco, scuro, cuore.
C is soft before E and I.
Ciao, cintura, cena, centro.
If we want to keep the sound hard before E and I, we need to add an H, H.
Scherzo, che, chiave, chiodo.
G. Similarly, this consonant has two sounds, one hard and one soft. G is always hard before A, O, U.
Gatto, maga, gola, angolo.
G is soft before E and I.
Gelato, angelo, magia, giardino.
However, to keep the sound hard before E and I, we add an H, H.
Ghianda, ghiaccio, maghe, streghe.
Other two combinations of letters with G require special attention, Ñ and Ll. The sound Ñ is similar to the sound in canyon.
Lasagne, ragno, signora.
The sound Ll is similar to the sound in mignon.
Aglio, gli, bottiglia.
In all other cases, when C and G are followed by consonants, the sound is always hard.
Classe, crema, grande, grosso.
Now try to pronounce the following.
Casa, cane, cibo. Cura, corto, cena. Ghiro, giorno, gelato. Ghiaccio, greta, gettare. Maghe, aglio, signora.
Ciao, ci vediamo presto! Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified anytime we publish a new video.